If you are watching this video, then you're meant to be in the training and development industry. Does it make you happy when you are on stage? Do you feel excited when you share your knowledge and expertise? Has anyone come to you and told that you are very good at explaining the concepts? Then my dear friends, you are meant to be a trainer. To excel in any professional career, there are two skills which are highly required. One is your soft skill and the other is a hard skill. Well, do you know there are some 20 odd soft skills which are required to excel the career growth? And if you have a passion towards training, teaching, then you can be the next soft skill trainer. The journey of becoming a soft skill trainer is as simple as taking that one step. A soft skill trainer certification program is well crafted to set you up for success. During the journey of becoming a trainer, you get to learn all about soft skills, which leads you to learn about the instructional design methodology to create valuable content, which leads you to learn about audiences and how to have an amazing audience connect, which takes you further to learn more on the tools, techniques and ideas to deliver your training sessions with immense impact. Well, that's not it. You also get to learn what is the corporate end-to-end training cycle and how do you fetch opportunities as a trainer. If you feel that your passion for teaching and training can be converted into a lucrative career, then this soft skill trainer certification program is the right suit for you. Inquire today to know more about the program. Thank you.